The first app on my list is Google Docs, because why not? Why not Google Docs? If not Google Docs, what else? Google Docs is the best, and it's the best app I can recommend for any writer, beginner, startup, advanced, professional. Google Docs. Hello everyone, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be giving you apps you need as a creator. Like, you just need to have it. You have to have it handy, and they are free. Like, they are very much free. So before we continue, go and subscribe. Go and subscribe. I believe you've done. The first app on my list is Google Docs, because why not? Why not Google Docs? If not Google Docs, what else? Google Docs is the best, and it's the best app I can recommend for any writer, beginner, startup, advanced, professional. Google Docs, and it works with smartphones, and it is free. I don't think it has a pro version. It's free, and with Google Docs you can be able to document your ideas without having your data being turned on. Like, many of the other apps work with data, but with Google Docs, even if you don't have data, it saves, like, it auto saves your work. That's the best feature I like about Google Docs. It auto saves your work as you're writing. It's documenting. It's not like you're using a system and lights goes off and maybe if not saved your previous work, you lose everything. With Google Docs, it auto save. Even if you mistakenly click the delete button, you can always retrieve what you've deleted. Like, you can retrieve any lost file. Like, you can go to recycle bin. There's an arrow. Maybe you deleted something and it wasn't intentional, and you need to bring it back. Like, everything in Google Docs comes in handy. Like, Google Docs is like all in one app. You can format your books with it, you can edit your books with it, you can write with it, you can do basically everything as a writer. It's Google Docs. See, if your phone is battling with storage, like you don't have so much space for a lot of apps, I recommend you get Google Docs. Google Docs is all in one app. It does literally everything you can imagine. And number 2 app on my list is Canva. Canva comes in handy as a writer. Canva does literally all that Google Docs does. Yes, you can write with Canva, you can do your presentations, you can do your formatting, and Canva is better because it can format your books page by page, you can make it colorful. Canva is better, but Canva works with data. You just need to have a stable internet connection to work with Canva. But with Google Docs, you don't need a lot of internet connection. It auto saves. And the next app you need as a creative is Pinterest. Pinterest is one app you can always reach out to. You can consult for inspiration, for creative ideas. Maybe you're going through a downtime, no inspiration, you have to write, but there's nothing. Like, when you go to Pinterest, you always see templates, you will see prompts, you will see everything. You could even see a 30 days prompt or template that can keep you writing the next 30 days. Pinterest is a very good app. It's a very good app. And I've also talked about Canva. With Canva, you can as well design your book covers, can do whatever. But Pinterest is for getting ideas. And the next app on my list is the notepad on your phone. The notepad on your phone. Many of us have this notepad, but we don't make use of it. We think it's insignificant. It's not radio. It's not that FM radio that used to come with Android phones that nobody uses. Use the notepad on your phone. As a writer, many times you could be on transit, you could be busy with something, maybe an engagement, an idea pops in. Get your notepad and just write it down. Open it and write it down, because when you think you will now go back to that idea, you must have lost it. Like, you must have lost it. So notepad just helps you to track your ideas on the go as it's coming. You're documenting as it's coming. Another app you need as a writer is what I call Drive, the Google Drive. Google Drive helps you to stay organized. It helps you to track your document. It just helps to track and to stay organized. It helps you to track your documents, track your tools, track your activities, And it's also a very good app to read or open any kind of file or document. Maybe you want to read a book. Google Drive can open any kind of file or document. And here, the fifth tool you need as a writer, the fifth tool you need is Grammarly. Grammarly is an app that helps you to check your spelling, check your tenses, check your punctuation. Like, it does a whole lot. It has a free version and has a paid version. The paid version does more, but you can do a whole lot with the free version. Yeah, so take advantage of all of these apps and improve your writing goals, improve your writing in general. When you work with these tools, I promise you will have very, very good results. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching. I believe you got value. I believe you learned vital lessons. Don't forget, like, drop a comment, share this with a friend, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Subscribe if you're not a part of this community already.